Now come to schedule 7. Now in this schedule there is a provision for distribution of powers between the state and the union. So here state belongs to 28 states and union belongs to Delhi government, central government. Okay. Now here distribution of power means in India there are so many subjects. On those topics government has to make laws for public. So there is a division between them on which subject which government has the right to make laws. Okay. So this division have done for 3 lists. Number 1 union list, number 2 state list and number 3 concurrent list. So you should know this thing, the subjects which come under union list only the central government means only Delhi government has the right to make laws on these subjects. Okay. So this list is only for central government. What about state list? Only state government means there are 20 states in India. So only different states governments has the right to make laws on the subjects only for their state that comes under their category. Okay. So this is only for state government. And what about concurrent list? So the subjects that comes under this list, both union, both center and state government has the right to make laws over these subjects. Okay. So this thing is clear. Now I am going to tell you what is the number of subjects that is divided among them. Okay. So here I am going to write old data of the subject and here new data. Okay. So what about union list? In the original constitution, there were 97 subjects but currently there are 100. State list. Earlier it was 66 subjects but currently it is 61. Concurrent. Earlier it was 47 but currently it is 52. And you have to remember this data always because this question always appear in the exam. There are how many subjects in this list, in this and that list. Okay. And you should also remember the old one data because it is not necessary that you only have to remember the new digits. So these both old and new data are important for you for your exam point of view because these type of questions comes under in the category of matching and you have to select options and so on. And you should also know the topic of the subject like which topics come under this category, which topics come under this and what topics for this. Okay. So I have prepared a number of topics like for union there is a subject related to police, military, defense, external and foreign affairs, etc. For state list there is a subjects like liquor, entertainment, land and so on. For concurrent topics like birth, death registration, electricity, education, business, justice. So this list is very lengthy. I will give you the list in my personal notes because I have prepared my own personal notes only for you from schedule 1 till schedule 12. So you can get my notes link given in the description box and remember they are paid notes. So this was all about schedule 7. Now come to the next. Now come to schedule 8.